Officials say at least 22 people were killed and many others injured after a bridge collapsed near Genoa, Italy. In Australia, former Roman Catholic religious leader Philip Wilson was sentenced to 1 year in prison after hiding child sexual abuse. He has been permitted to serve his sentence at home. Deadly scorpion bites are on the rise in Brazil. The creatures have been entering homes through sinks and pipes. And Japanese Emperor Akihito will be the first in Japan's history to abdicate or step down as emperor.